What's the meaning of cracking? Cracking. Cracking.
Cracking. Cracking. Cracking can have different meanings depending on the context. In computer security, cracking is the act of bypassing security measures to gain unauthorized access to a system or data. In this context, the result of cracking is that sensitive information can be stolen, systems can be manipulated or damaged, and the organization can suffer reputational and financial losses. Cracking can also mean breaking something into smaller pieces, such as cracking an eggshell to access the egg inside. In this case, the result is accessing the contents of what is being cracked.